To capture vocalizations using a smartphone, please find the Voice Memo app. In this demo, I'm using an iPhone, but it should work the same with any iOS device. If you need to encourage the recipient to vocalize, it's important to stop speaking when they start, so that we are just recording them. Let's open up the app. And what we'll do is we'll hit the record button and say ah, and then when done, we'll tap on stop. Ah. And now we're done. And we'll save the memo. And now we can click on it and email it to ourselves so that we can upload it into the Bespoke Studio. We highly recommend capturing at least 15 sound files to upload for blending.